Hey there, if you're looking for a home in the heart of North Tustin, this is a great opportunity. 18792 Dodge Avenue is right down the street from Foothill, so we're walking distance to the high school, walking distance to Hewes Middle School, and it's zoned for Arroyo Elementary. I really love this floor plan. It's easy, it flows, and there are 2 master suites on either side of the house. Patio doors head out to your backyard, perfect for entertaining, kids play. This is a great house. Come check it out.